morning vlog. It is day 2 of vlogging, technically day 3 of vacation. We are going to the beach. Brianna's still fried, so she put on 50 sunscreen. Woo! I put on 15 because I still hate myself. So basically all we did this morning was eat breakfast, which consisted of junk food. I had 3 wafers and you had?
A macaroni and a piece of chocolate cake.
So we're living our best lives today, so we'll probably update in the car.
Hey, Linda, I'm bringing your baby goldfish. Is that good?
We have successfully made it to the beach. There's a lot of seaweed in the water, so it's not that fun, and it's really bright, but then sometimes it goes really dark. But as of right now, it's really bright. I'm leaning on a palm tree because just cool like that. Breeze right there, chillaxing. Mom's right there, chillaxing. Everyone else is in the water right there, chillaxing. It's just a nice good old beach day. We'll probably literally only be here for like another hour or two just because it's really hot out, and that's a lot of sun to take. And then later tonight, Dad said maybe we'll go to Lauderdale by the sea, which is fun because it's a boardwalk, and maybe I'll get my beloved souvenir that I want. And yeah, that's about it. We've been at the beach for like 2 hours. I feel myself being really burnt. Do you feel really burnt?
I'm burnt and tired.
Yeah, me too. We took a bunch of pictures. Insert them here. And so we haven't really done much else. I got touched by some fish.
She ran out of the ocean.
That was the scariest experience of my life. So I'm not gonna go back in the water because I don't like fish. And they were white and they bit me. Actually gave me a kiss, but we're still not friends. How are you feeling?
Very good.
That's good. How's the beach?
Pretty.
Yeah, I think so too. It's kind of hot though.
Very.
Too hot for my liking. I'm ready to go home.
Agreed. I need my drink.
We're sweating. Like I sweat rolling off of me.
Hey Dave,
because
how
the
much
trunk
more miles?
of the car is hot. I promise we're in actual suits, but it's hot. You're sweating less than I am.
I'm dying still though.
We look gross, but the beach was pretty fun. It was also very hot on the beach, so we sat under the palm tree basically the whole time.
I think we still got burnt though.
Oh, definitely. And we're in
like
traffic.
That. So Mark
Going
wants
home.
Well,
There's all the traffic.
Mark wants
And
a contact
I can't wait to
list on
shower.
first birthday,
Oh
so
my
I
God.
And get the sand out from places that it shouldn't
hard.
be.
Like it's like a
The worst
Nissan
is
car,
sand
but
in your
but
hair.
It's just like
Like
how
I
the
get
Dodge
sand in
Caravan
my
was. The old Dodge Caravan
like
was
my
crushed on the
knee
truck.
armpits. The one that Mark
behind your knees.
Yes.
And like the worst I think is the weird feeling in your hair, like where it gets salty. It's not good. So we are home from the beach now. I'm obviously showered. No longer salty, sandy, or like crispy. Right now we're going to dinner. I'm pretty sure we're the holdup, so I guess we'll catch you at dinner. We are on our way to dinner
To the Rainforest Cafe.
at the Sawgrass Mills Mall. Really weird thing, I was there the other day and they literally have a picture of our high school basketball team on the wall,
Hopefully they do.
which is really odd because our high school's in Pittsburgh and we are basically in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So really weird. My dad says it's because Dick's Sporting Goods is based out of Pittsburgh, so they like to promote other places with pictures of our sports teams, but I don't know. So, anyways, I've been to the Rainforest Cafe before.
I
I really
have not.
like it. This is her first experience there. The gorillas might scare you.
There's gorillas? Like real?
Yeah, obviously. No. Why would they put real gorillas?
Why would they have random gorillas?
Because it's the Rainforest Cafe.
Why would they? Yeah, I know. See, maybe even though I thought real dinosaurs.
Made it to dinner. I'm gonna get chicken fajitas. What are you gonna get?
I am gonna get the Blue Mountain chicken sandwich.
Heck yeah. Alexa, what are you getting for dinner?
Chicken quesadillas.
Yes, high five.
Did I make your vlog? He had me on Snapchat.
We finished eating and Chase got ice cream. And we're all waiting for him to eat his ice cream. As he sits here.
We're all waiting for Mindy.
Yeah, I'm just looking at all the
He's really taking down that ice cream.
Okay.
You can have my remaining.
I ate it.
Hello vlog. We're obviously back from dinner in the mall because it's dark out. And I'm pretty sure it's closed at this point. Yay! So basically, literally all we've done for tonight has been watch The Amazing Spider-Man and FaceTime our friends and reply to Instagram comments. That's been about it. So, guess we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video is going to be fun because we're going to be on the boat.
Animals.
See animals. Maybe see an alligator or
Roar.
two.
Double roar.
I don't know. We'll see. Peace out.